Hey guys, David here at the CrystaLac company. A little quick tip, a little safety quick tip for you. Many of you may have saw the video that Dorinda shot over the weekend of me working on our hardwood floors in the living room in our old house that we're remodeling. You know I preach safety, so anytime you're sanding, whether it's a clear coat, a paint, an old finish, new finish, raw wood, anytime you're creating those microfine particles, those particles that get airborne in the air, you need to protect yourself. Can't say it any simpler, any plainer. You don't want to inhale those in through your nose and mouth and deposit those in your lungs. That can cause all kinds of severe medical issues, issues with breathing. Just it's bad all the way around. So always protect yourself. In cleaning up today, I found what is a great example of why we need to wear masks. So this is the little dust mask that I wore over the weekend, about 3 hours worth of sanding on the floor. Take a look at what would have possibly been in my lungs if not wearing the mask. So I know you say, well, I only sand every now and then. I don't sand very much. Folks, it's really, really important that you don't go get those fibers into your lungs. So wear the mask. A dust mask when sanding is fine. You won't have any issues, whether it's our finishes or raw wood. Protect yourself, take care of yourself. We want to be around for years to come so we can enjoy those CrystaLac finished projects that we've worked on. Thanks a lot, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.